G'day viewers, this is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel. Well, I've bypassed the picture invert circuitry, so I'll get a straight negative picture coming through to the crow, and yeah, it's now working, giving a picture on the oscilloscope, but picture negative, of course. Anyway, so yeah, the circuit is pretty well functional, and I'm very, very happy about that. So yeah, as you can see, my Tektronix oscilloscope is now displaying inverted pictures. I'm just panning the camera around the shed, just filming whatever's around. As you'll see on display, picture negative of stuff in the shed. One unusual artifact I can see in this picture is down below. It tends to be another, a rather squashed, more brighter picture negative of what's being displayed. Geez, yeah, a bit strange. Anyhow, yep, I'm getting a pretty good negative picture. For the bright objects, the picture looks quite alright. For lower light objects, it's a bit hard to see anything. Trying to get my face on film, on display. Barely recognisable in picture negative. So yeah, here I've got my parts and everything, my electronic components. Whoa, circuit fell down. I'll set it on my lap. Should keep it nice and still. Yeah, I'm working in a mess. It's a real pain in the ass trying to work when you don't have on electronic projects when you don't have a proper setup like a lot of tinkerers do. Anyhow, yeah, I'm just filming around the shed, displaying the stuff on the oscilloscope screen. See up there, I've got all my drawers of components. Over here I've got my old Dick Smith oscilloscope, which is what I intend on using as a video monitor, which is why I made this circuit, because I've got no real good practical use for that crow, seeing I've got a nice Tektronix crow. Yep, this is the scope I actually want to use as the video monitor, the Dick Smith crow. Anyhow, yep, I'm yet to work out where the Z-axis is on that crow and work out how to wire it up the X and Y axes as well, but I'll eventually work it out. Just need some tech advice from my friends and I'll sure get there. Anyhow, getting back to the point. Just filming some more stuff around the garage. As mentioned, it's This works best when you're filming more better illuminated areas of the garage, so you get more depth of field. And here, of course, is my Tektronix Crow. Let's see if I can... Yep, that's my mobile phone that I'm filming this whole thing with. Yeah, it seems not only the picture is inverted, it's also back to front. I wonder why I was having a bit of a... I don't know why the picture looked a bit strange. Yeah, so there you go. One successful project. Well, nearly successful anyhow. I want to get the picture inverted so we get a positive picture, and hopefully the picture being the right way around instead of being flipped. But I'm very happy at the very least making that the circuit is now making pictures on the scope. I'll keep you updated with the inverter portion of the circuitry once I get that all fixed up and get it going, and yeah, I'll hope to see some picture positives. Anyhow, keep you updated. This is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel, signing out.